These shocking revelations...
A veritable firestorm of anti-Mengsk sentiment.
The Emperor held a news conference earlier today.
How do you respond to these allegations of genocide? Of using aliens to...
I assure you, these slanderous attacks against the throne are baseless and irresponsible.
Sir, do you still stand by the sentiment that selfless devotion to the people is the basis of your rule?
Well, of course. I was called upon to serve the greater interest of humanity. Personal power was never my goal.
Then how would you characterize this statement?
I will not be stopped. Not by you or the Confederates or the Protoss or anyone. I will rule this sector or see it burnt to ashes around me. I won't stand for this. You jackals think you can come in here and question me? This interview is over.
You know, I love seeing him squirm, but the Dominion's just gonna spin this like they do everything else.
Not this time. Mengsk used the media as a weapon for years, and now we've turned it against him. One broadcast, and won us a bigger victory than 100 battles.
I guess you're right. Well, it's what we started this revolution for in the first place. We've got a long way to go. Maybe we started something here.
Hearts and minds, man. Just like you always said.
You know, Matt, someday you're gonna wind up leading this bunch of misfits.
Oh, no. That's what I keep you around for, sir.
Kate Lockwell here, live from Core Hall. There's rioting in the streets. Citizens are setting fire to government buildings to express their shock and anger at the startling revelations from earlier today. Donnie, what's the situation where you are?
I had a brother on Tarsonis. I had a brother there.
Right. Thanks for that, Donnie. Okay. Emperor Mengsk broadcast a statement earlier today. Unfortunately, UNN satellites were on lockdown at the time. Let's replay a bit of that.
This evidence has been falsified. The enemies of the Dominion will go to any length to soil my good reputation. These ruthless, slanderous attacks cannot...
At that point, the Emperor was shouted down. He's since retreated to his palace and refuses to speak to anyone. In this reporter's opinion, Emperor Mengsk has been revealed as a...
Boy, you know I got one too. Got the kind of education
that's... You see? Told you I could build something better than that piece of crap, Odin.
I like that. That's the spirit, brother. Show 'em who's boss.
Got some work to do on the chassis still, but I got to thinking about upgrades and variants, you know? They ain't gonna be cheap, cowboy. Big honking thing like that never is, but they'll be worth it, you'll see.
That's what I like to hear. I'll take a look and see what's affordable. Well, so you're thinking about giving up this life of luxury and becoming a professional broadcaster?
Oh, regular folks just ain't ready for the raw sex appeal I'd unleash into their great little lives. I reckon my niche is right here with you, old buddy. Right to the end.
I'm glad you're part of all this, Tychus. You did real good today. So, Matt, you planning another strike against Mengsk?
Not just yet, sir. I figured we need to focus on the Zerg first. Overthrowing Mengsk won't mean anything if we can't beat them.
True. Freedom ain't worth squat if Kerrigan kills us all, that's for sure. Guess Mengsk can wait.
Commander, our mutual friends at the Mobius Foundation have located the last artifact fragment. When this final piece is secured, we can proceed to Char and confront Kerrigan. Good luck, Mr. Rayner. I fear you'll need it. My Mobius associates have finally tracked down the last piece of the artifact. It's on a derelict Zelnaga ship located within the Sigma Quadrant.
Pretty far off the beaten path, Junior.
The artifact is here. The ship has several ripfield generators which disintegrate everything at a molecular level in a matter of moments. Fortunately, our new Minotaur-class battlecruisers should be able to survive the fields long enough to destroy the generators.
Anything else we should know?
Well, long-range scans have identified a sizable Tal'Darim force holding in the area.
We are in way over our heads on this one, Jimmy. Walking into rip fields. I didn't sign up for no suicide mission. We should just take the money and run.
Getting cold feet, Tychus?
I lost 9 years in prison on account of you. Ain't tossing what's left of my life away just so you can rescue your little princess. Remember, you own me, partner.
Not enough to quit on something like this. You're relieved. You can sit this one out, partner.
Fine, then. You know where I'll be.
Adjutant, prep the ship for jump. Let's get this over with.
Caution. Anomalous gravity distortion detected.
There's the first ripfield Valerian talked about. The battle cruisers should be able to survive long enough to destroy the generator, but only if they concentrate their fire.
Got it.
Yes, Commander.
Sir. Quick smash and grab?
We're gonna need more than a couple of battle cruisers to blast our way through.
Take your time, Commander. I'd rather do this right and get the artifact.
What's going on? Ah!
We'll be lucky to find any normal resources here. But centuries of asteroid impacts have scattered mineral fragments and crystallized Vespene all over the wreck.
All right, we'll scout around and see what we can pick up.
Well, butter my biscuit. SCV ready. Yep. Go ahead. Yeah, whatever. SCV ready.
Oh, really?
Add-on complete.
Huh? SCV ready. Big job, huh? SCV ready. Roger. Will do.
Not enough minerals.
Bad news? I'm going.
Mineral field depleted.
You want a piece of me, boy? This better be good.
Who called in the fleet? What is it? Yes, sir.
In the rear with the gear. Yeah. Sure thing.
Patching you through.
What's going on?
Well? Squadron en route.
Yep.
Yes, Commander. Take it slow.
Base is under attack.
You hailed? Engage.
All right, boys. Hit him with the Yamato cannon. Couple of shots from that'll flatten.
Acknowledged. Take it
Not
slow.
enough energy. Additional supply depots required.
In the rear with the gear. Uh-huh.
Roger.
Armed and ready.
Upgrade complete.
Antaro Tassadar, friend Reno. The Tal'Darim have imprisoned all who oppose them. Release us, and we will gladly fight at your side against them.
Ah, how exciting! Course laid in. Squadron en route. Who called in the fleet? Patching you through. Weapons charged and ready.
Ah! You scared me!
Our thanks, James Raynor. The Tal'Darim will pay for their treachery. Cartoon.
You hailed? Will do. Yes, Commander. Abandon ship.
Insufficient best field gas. Mineral field depleted. Base is under attack. Upgrade complete.
Okay. Weapons charged and ready. What is it?
I bask in the twilight. The void claims its own.
You hailed? Abandoned ship.
Not enough energy.
We will join the hunt for the Tal'Darim.
Vault. You're very close to the artifact.
Make peace with your gods, defilers. You will now answer for your crimes.
That Protoss mothership is formidable, sir. Scans indicate it's capable of cloaking nearby friends and phasing enemies out of existence for a short time.
Take no prisoners.
Upgrade complete.
You seek our service.
Whatever that means.
I bask in the twilight. I am but a phantom.
Bad news? I'm going.
Insufficient Vespene gas.
Patching you through.
What would you ask of us? Cartoon. Clever. I am intrigued. I will comply. I am the blade chorus. By void. Clever.
Mineral field depleted.
I will comply. Cartoon.
Mineral field
But a
depleted.
phantom. I am the blind chorus. Clever.
What is it? En route.
Fear is an illusion. By the void. I am but a phantom. I am intrigued.
Base is under attack. Mineral field depleted.
Yes, Commander.
Battle is upon us.
Mineral field depleted.
We are running low on minerals at this location. Additional mineral supplies have been located nearby.
Patching you through. Oh, really? Acknowledged.
Upgrade complete.
What is it?
Upgrade complete.
Yes, Commander.
Mineral field depleted. Mineral field depleted.
Yes, Commander.
Mineral field depleted.
Well? Who called in the fleet? Weapons charged and ready. Whatever that means.
My blades thirst for vengeance.
Patching you through. What is it?
Huh?
You hailed? Engage.
Ready for dust off. Picking up or dropping off?
What's going on?
You seek our service.
Well? Abandon ship! You hailed?
Waiting on you. Here's your stuff.
Upgrade complete.
Bad news. In the rear with the gear.
Our SCVs are under attack. Insufficient Vespene gas.
Whatever that means.
Ah! You scared me!
What is it?
Go ahead.
Yes, Commander. Yes, sir. Take it slow. You hailed?
SCV ready. In the rear with...
Picking up or dropping off?
Only you bring freedom to all, friend Reyna.
Insufficient Vespene gas.
Huh? Yeah, whatever.
Patching you through.
I bask in the twilight. I am but a clever.
Well?
Fear is an illusion. By the void.
Patching you through.
Is upon us.
Take no prisoners. Okay. Acknowledged. Who called in the fleet? Oh, really? Yes, Commander. I'm on it. Will do. You hailed? Yes, Commander. Abandon ship.
Not enough minerals.
Abandon ship. What is it? Yes, sir. Whatever that means. Oh, really?
All right, we're clear. Grab that thing and set a course to rendezvous with Valeria.